Hi, it's Sandra here. Hope you're having a good day. Now, this particular card is a tunnel card and it was inspired by a video that I saw from Jennifer Maguire. So I will put a link down below to her video. The reason I did this particular one is because it's a nice design that is very versatile. But Jennifer Maguire obviously is stateside and uses imperial measurements, and for those of you in the UK or indeed in Europe, if you want to make the same card, then those measurements won't apply. So this is a standard UK or European A6 size card. So in the file we have 3 pieces. I'm not giving you any design elements, this is solely the base. And you have the card base, which is slightly narrower on the back than on the front. You have a center piece which is scored on either side, like so. And then you have the rest of the box piece, which has a score line here and 2 score lines in here. So it forms a type of box like that. So as Jennifer did, to put it together is relatively simple. What you want to do is to start off with your inner box piece, and I've done this in a different colour so you can see it more easily. Now there's nothing to stop you, if you have a cutting machine, doing this hole any shape you like. Okay, I've just done a scalloped edge one here, but what you must make sure is that they A, line up properly, and B, that the smaller one is on the smaller piece of card. So that's relatively easy to remember. Don't do what I did the first time round when I was designing it and did it the other way around. Didn't work, did it? Right, so I need to put some thin tape or glue on here, and I've cut a piece of my tape in half lengthwise because it's very narrow. And I have allowed ½ centimetre for the actual fold over the score line. So, no, that's not stuck down very well. Okay, I didn't do my usual trick of folding it over. There we are. So this piece goes to the first center fold line, so not the one on the right, the one on the left. You want to put it so the sticky tape and the fold is up. Put it directly to that fold, and I did take, as Jennifer said, a hair's width away from the side and the height. There we are. And just going to put some tape on the narrower side, I hasten to add, because this is not folded directly in half because of that. So this is on the narrower side, which is going to be the back. I'm not going to stick it down really well, so this is just a demo one. So as long as it stays in place, that's fine. And then this has to go to the center fold. So line it up as best you can and then stick that down. There we are. So the next thing to do is to put some tape on this piece. Peel that tape off. And then you want to fold this one down over that. Put it against the fold. There we are. If I was making this card properly, I'd make it go from edge to edge. And then fold that down like so. And then when you open it, you have the shadow effect. I've separated off in the file, I've given you one of these scalloped shapes to put on the front if you so wish. So there we have the completed card base. So there we are. I hope you like it. Many thanks to Jennifer for doing this particular design. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.